you saw us perform. Now it's your chance to join the fun. Become a member of the Brick Township High School Competition Marching Band. The Competition Band is hosting an open house for all interested members. We're looking for members in all sections, including color guard, horn line, and percussion. Whether you already play an instrument, want to learn a new one, or don't play one at all, everyone is welcome to attend. Be a part of the excellence. Be a part of the entertainment. Be a part of the Marching Dragons. We look forward to seeing you at our open house on Tuesday, May 7th at 6:30 in the BTHS Band Room. See you there.